for me, if you get me excited in teaching, I think I can show you a little bit more stuff. I guess maybe because that was part of my training, because I spent a little bit of time with Master Ng, and then from there I developed further. But because I think he gave me the what you call the basic, the foundation there. So with that, I'm able to go further. That's why I always tell you guys that you learn to understand. You must understand the concept, not just learn the form, the pattern. Right? You can learn the form and pattern, but that's all you can teach. But what is it behind it? You must understand the concept, and you must build the foundation. And with that, you can go to the next level. I cannot say I'm better than my teacher, than Master Ng, Master Lau, and all that. But I think they have taught me, they have given me, how do I say, some foundation there. And that's why I try and get it to the next level. Otherwise, martial will be too diluted, because everybody says, oh, I cannot teach you this because it's a secret. I cannot teach you this because you're not ready for it. Yeah, true. Sometimes you're not ready for it, because if you don't have the right foundation, you cannot go to the next level. But there are certain things that you have to go stage by stage to reach to that level.